Hello children, let us learn about activity 15. Activity 15, in activity 15 we classify the salts. We classify the salts into acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt. In activity 15 we classify the salts into acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt. Collect the following samples. Collect the following samples and dissolve them in water. That means we have to prepare this sample solution. And find the action of these solutions with litmus paper and pH paper. Find the action of these solutions with litmus paper and pH paper and find the pH value using pH paper and record all your observations in this table. So first of all, let me write the formula of these samples. Sodium chloride NaCl, aluminum chloride AlCl3, copper sulfate CuSO4, sodium acetate CH3COONa, ammonium chloride NH4Cl, sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3, sodium carbonate Na2CO3. When we write the pH value of this sample solution, we get 7 for the sodium chloride, and aluminum chloride is about 2 to 3. The pH value of aluminum chloride is about 2 to 3, which is less than 7. The copper sulfate pH value is about 4.58, which is less than 7. The copper sulfate pH value 4.5, which is less than 7. And sodium acetate, the pH value is about 9, which is greater than 7. Sodium acetate pH value is 9, which is greater than 7. Ammonium chloride pH value is about 4.626, which is less than 7. Ammonium chloride pH value 4.626, which is less than 7. Sodium hydrogen carbonate pH value is about 8.4, which is greater than 7. Sodium carbonate pH value is about 11.6, which is greater than 7. So these are the pH values of these samples. Now let us write the parent acid, parent base of these salts. Let us write the parent acid and parent base of these salts. That means we have to write acid and base from which these salts are obtained. We are going to write acid and base from which these salts are obtained. Let us write sodium chloride, that is hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide. Parent acid hydrochloric acid, parent base sodium hydroxide. And aluminum chloride hydrochloric acid, aluminum hydroxide. Copper sulfate sulfuric acid, copper hydroxide. Sodium acetate acetic acid, sodium hydroxide. Ammonium chloride hydrochloric acid, ammonium hydroxide. Sodium hydrogen carbonate carbonic acid, sodium hydroxide. Sodium carbonate carbonic acid, sodium hydroxide. So, when you observe the nature of these substances, when you observe the nature of these salts, it is equal to 7. That means neutral. It is a neutral salt. It is a neutral salt. Next, ammonium chloride pH value less than 7. So, acidic salt. So, this is acidic salt. Acidic salt. Less than 7, these are acidic salts. Acidic salt. Acidic salt. This is also acidic salt. And these are basic salts. Basic salt. Basic salt. Basic salt. The nature of these salts are basic salt. Okay. So finally, what do you notice? You notice that strong acid, strong base gives neutral salt. The pH value of this salt is 7. Strong acid plus strong base gives neutral salt. Neutral salt, the pH value is about 7. And strong acid, weak base. Strong acid, weak base. Strong acid, weak base gives acidic salt whose pH value is less than 7. Strong acid, weak base gives acidic salt whose pH value is less than 7. Strong acid plus weak base gives acidic salt pH value less than 7. Strong acid plus weak base gives acidic salt whose pH value less than 7. Now in this case, weak acid, strong base, weak acid, strong base, weak acid, strong base, weak acid, strong base gives basic salt whose pH value greater than 7. So weak acid, strong base gives basic salt whose pH value greater than 7. Weak acid plus strong base gives basic salt whose pH value greater than 7. Weak acid plus strong base gives rise to basic salt whose pH value is greater than 7. Now you have a question that if weak acid reacts with weak base, we get salt obviously, but what is the nature of that particular salt? When weak acid reacts with weak base, we get a salt obviously, but what is the nature of that salt? The nature and the pH value of that salt depends on the relative strengths of weak acid and weak base. Note the nature and pH value of salt produced by weak acid and weak base depends on relative strength of acid and base. So the nature and pH value of salt produced by weak acid and weak base depends on relative strengths of acid and base. Relative strengths of acid and base. Thank you.